So the first thing we did was already to increase the suspension by 7 inches in order to have no problems of going into the water, because the ECU is sitting here and this has been completely watertight. What we're going to do is to change the rims and the tires. We were going to put off-road tires. Going to take off this because when you're stuck in the sand, it's a bit of a pain to remove it. Then here we will have a rack. Going to put the rack. The rack is supporting the tent. We have a roof tent because you cannot sleep in the car. It's going to add an extra fuel tank, extra water tank, and then we need to test the car because this is more than 150 kgs, which is above. It takes 150 kgs, but you need to find out if the suspension in the back is going to maintain the stability of the car. So we're going to test it during 2 weeks in the desert, in the sun, to see if it works, if the equilibrium of the car is the same, if the suspension takes it, and so on and so forth. We have 2 weeks of testing, and then we will ship the car to Antwerp and prepare it for the trip to Mongolia.